Camera lady here for a second. Anyways, what I'm doing is I'm putting in my window trim. I got this window trim tool right here off Amazon. Not really a good video of how to do it. A guy did show about the end of it, but this is a window trim lock tool, and if you type that in on Amazon, it's like 12 bucks, 2-day shipping if you got Prime. The guy shows putting this on baby oil. Not going to say that's not going to help, but what I'd be more concerned about is your actual window, where the tool is actually going to be splitting this open right here, and you don't want to be ripping your actual seal. This is going to get very tight. Makes you get out of breath pretty easy. Taking a little bit of a break, just spraying it down. I'm halfway done. Started right there. We're right here, so not quite halfway, but it takes a lot of pressure to get this moving. We were originally going to try and do this without the tool, but that isn't going to happen. So you're going to want to get the tool. It's still a pain in the butt, but this takes a little bit of pressure to get it moving. My thing is just finding footing to get the pressure on it, but it goes pretty good. And that's another problem, is you got to try and keep the pressure off. If I was doing like a back window or something, it'd be a little bit easier because I could keep my footing, but I got to worry about my footing more than the seal. So a little bit of a pain in the butt. I got to bring it up back if it falls off like that, and then kind of catch it back up. So get it back in here and kind of go backwards with it. And then restart. Push that one back in with the back of it. So if you fall off, it's going to be a little bit of going with it. You got to go back a little bit like I just did and start pushing it again, and it'll be out. It's still a little bit, but then it's got this back thing right here, and just push it down against it, and it really seats it in there good. And then just continue going again. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt, takes some time, but it's going. Show a little close up of what I was talking about. So if it starts to come out, you just back up, get the tool back in there, go forward a little bit, right here. See if I can zoom in on it. So anyway, right here is where the tool's in, and then push the tool down with the back piece. It's got two different settings. One's for a smaller seal, one's for a bigger one. I'm putting the bigger seal in on this one. It's a little bit, takes a lot of pressure, but we're just gonna continue this down, and then hope this helps anybody that's doing this. And just thanks for watching. All right.